In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online from your phone, specifically how you can make up to $1,400 or more in a day with digital marketing and an online business. Okay. So quick disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Everything is based on your effort. Like I've made thousands of dollars with with this business based on my effort. And that's now some people have made more, some people have made less. That's how things are. Results vary. Okay. So to do this business, all you need is Wi-Fi. You just need your phone. You just need about a couple hours a day because we teach you a 2-hour workday. And I'm going to break it down. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you what this business looks like. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. And if you want to get started, just go to wealthwithdan.com. There's a link in my bio. Okay. First off, you have to understand there's fundamentally like 3 ways to make money. Okay. The first way is you're an employee, which means you're working for somebody else, usually a business owner, right? And you're exchanging your time for money. That's the worst way to make money because you're exchanging your time for money. There's no freedom there. Okay. The second way is to be a business owner, which I consider the best way to make money. And if you look on Google or anything, like the highest percentage of wealthy people are business owners. Because if you're a business owner, you can have some cash flow coming in, consistent cash flow coming in, and the sky's the limit. And the third way is like through investing, like real estate, stocks, and stuff like that, which is great too. Okay. Those are the two best ways to make money, business and investing, in my personal opinion. But the stock, like the investing game, like is generally more of a long-term game, and there's not a lot of necessarily fast cash flow there. So I'm going to show you how to build a business, how to be an entrepreneur, which I consider the best way to make money. Okay. So this is how like this business and every business on the planet works, by the way. You have some kind of offer. That's the thing you're selling. It could be a product, an opportunity, or a service. It can be a digital product or a physical product. It could be your product or somebody else's product. It doesn't matter. You just got to make sure that it's something in high demand, something that people are actually buying. So what do I sell? I sell high demand digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is one of the fastest growing industries in history. It's like $1 billion a day industry. Okay. So I sell 5 digital programs. That's what we sell. It's a pre-built, done for you business. And we sell 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry. And the great thing is you earn 100% profit here because it's not multi-level marketing. It's not affiliate marketing. So you're not splitting your commissions with a company, right? If you're doing affiliate marketing, for example, every time you make a sale, you get to keep a percentage and the rest of it goes to the company. Okay. So step number 2 is you have a system. This is what automates your business. Now we have a system. We call it the Freedom Machine because it gives you your life back. Okay. So how does that system work? Well, you have a link. Okay. You got to get a domain like GoDaddy. You get a domain, your own professional domain. People click on your link. They put their email in. You're building an email list. The money's in the list. They watch videos. They get emails from you. The emails are doing the follow-up, the fortunes and the follow-up. So you don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message strangers. You don't have to bother friends and family. You don't have to pay ads to do this. You don't have to pay for advertising. You can do all those things, but you don't have to. And the emails are following up for you. This is how you make money in your sleep. I made $1,400 in my sleep with this business. Okay. So then people end up at your website. Now they can just go from email to website or watch videos, emails, website. It's up to them. But once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Now, step number 3 is a strategy. This is basically marketing and advertising. So every business has some kind of they have some kind of store, right? Either it's an online store, digital store, or if it's an offline store. But you have a store that people can go to buy stuff, right? So what does every business need? Every business needs customers. Okay. So what is the strategy for getting customers? That's basically marketing and advertising. Now there's 4 basic ways to do that: paid ads, warm outreach, cold outreach, or free content, right? So we teach you the free content strategies. So what we have is a 2-hour workday. So basically you just got to post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. Now there's 4 kinds of content you can create. You can create images, which I do. You can do videos, which I also do. You can do written content, which I do as well, like mostly like captions, but that could be like blogs as well. And there's audio content, which I don't really do, which could be voiceovers and stuff, or like like a podcast. Okay. And so yeah, 3 pieces of content a day generally takes, like, if you're doing videos and stuff, which most of us do, takes 30 minutes or less. And you post it to social media. Choose one platform, your favorite platform, or do a couple platforms, but just choose your favorite platform or platforms and start posting content to build your business. Free advertising, free marketing on social media. It's free for now, so we might as well take advantage of it. And then you can also go live on social media. Like I like to go live on TikTok and YouTube simultaneously. That's what I generally do. And then you just got to follow up with any messages you have because people are going to ask you for information, right? Like we teach you how to do a CTA. So people are going to ask for information. Like I'll say comment ready, and then people ask for details. They comment ready, and I say, go to my website for information or go to the link in my bio, right? And yeah, so you follow up with any messages or emails you have, and then you just go through a little bit of training. We got training in our program. We got training in our community to help you build your business. Okay. So the training, like we have a 5-minute training you can watch every day from a millionaire. And oh yeah, if you're watching this video now, make sure you start this business before Monday, because every Monday we have millionaire mentoring inside of our community. So if you set your business up before Monday, you can jump on one of those millionaire mentoring calls. Okay. So that's basically the rundown, how this business and every business works. Now I'm going to share my screen with you and show you what it looks like. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. I've been doing this business for over 2 years. I highly recommend it. I wouldn't recommend anything besides this, honestly. If you're looking for something that's super beginner friendly, something that you can set up in 1 to 2 days with like community training and support, I would not personally recommend anything else besides this. That's why I always recommend this every single day to people. Okay. I try to share that. See, I show up every day. I just want to see how many people I can help every day. And I want to offer as much value as possible, because I believe money is just a reflection of that. The more people you help, the more money you're going to make, and the more value you offer the world, the more money you're going to make in all sectors. Okay. In all niches, whatever you want to say. Okay. So now let me share my screen and I'll show you what this business looks like, which is pretty cool. I'm really excited about this business. Even though I've been doing this for 2 years, I'm still super excited about, building this business and sharing this business with other people. So let me show you the beginning. Okay, so this is called a capture page, right? So when people click on our link, they go to this page. It's a capture page. It's pre-built. You can set this up in a few hours, this whole system. 1 to 2 days, your business is ready to go. All you got to do is change that picture. That's me in Florida, right? You change that picture, you put your picture up, you're ready to go. Capture page, okay? Capturing emails. They put their email in. You're building an email list. You're going to learn how to do this stuff. See, although I made for like thousands of dollars with this business, like just like I don't like I would do this business over and over again just based on like the things that I've learned. Even if I didn't make any money, I wouldn't regret starting this business, because I've learned things like email marketing, okay, how to build sales funnels like this, how to have sales funnels like this, email marketing, social media monetization, community monetization, creating my own offers, and digital marketing, building an online business, building multiple streams of income. And the mindset stuff, like my growth, I'm not like, not to toot my own horn, but my growth these past 2 years has been phenomenal. Okay. So you're not really going to grow much at a job unless you're like learning skills and upgrading your mindset outside of a job, right? That's just hasn't been my experience. I've been overworked and underpaid my whole life, which is why I started this, because my company cut my pay and I didn't want to get another job, because I don't want to be overworked and underpaid my whole life. Do you? Probably not, right? So people put their email in. Okay, they go here, they watch videos. The videos are doing the selling. And then there's two videos, that one video is in the emails. So after they put their email in, right, they go here, thank you page to watch this video. And then there's another, we send it again in the emails. Okay. And that's pretty much it. And then it takes people to the website. Okay. You see how they have they have these different buttons here, like, yes, I'm ready to have a business. Then it takes them here. And this is the website. So what is this? This is a beginner friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. So what are you going to learn here? Well, it's a global business opportunity. So not only can you can build this business and sell the 5 digital programs that we sell, 5 in English, 5 in Spanish, but we also teach you how to make money in a variety of ways. So this is like your one-stop shop for making money. Okay, so it's a global business opportunity, building recurring income streams, monetizing social media. This is the stuff you're going to learn. Email marketing, affiliate marketing, create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, become certified in digital marketing. Now you can try to learn all this stuff by going on YouTube and trying to research everything and trying to use ChatGPT. But the only problem with that is you're not going to have any community and support. Okay. You want that community, you want that support, you want that training, you want that mentoring. I just know from my personal experience, it's more fun to learn that way. And it's more effective because people are gonna like, they're gonna learn, they're gonna like the mentors and coaches and people in the community, they're gonna know things you don't know. They're gonna see things from different angles that you don't see. You're gonna have blind spots that you might not notice. So that's why you want to be part of a community. That's why you want training and support, right? So I'm gonna show you what the website looks like real fast. 59,000 members in our community. When I joined this community, we had 9,000. Now we have over 60,000 actually. Okay. We actually have over 60,000 now. $29 million in sales paid out in 10 months to the community, like collective community sales. $29 million paid out in 10 months. Okay. So that's important because you want to sell something that's actually proven to sell. And then we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days, right? So there you go. And this is, let me just show you the website real quick. I'll just go through a couple things. Here's some testimonials on your website. So you get to use this exact same website pre-built. You can edit things if you want. If you want to change some wording or colors, that's up to you. You can do that. You can change some of the testimonials because we have a lot of different testimonials. Why people love our program. Beginner friendly. Okay, no experience, no problem. 2-hour workflow. Work anywhere, your own schedule. Available in English and Spanish. You can literally do this anywhere from your phone. You can use your phone or your laptop or both. I use both, but mostly from my phone. It's available in English and Spanish. It's a global opportunity. Anybody can do this business as long as they have some kind of payment processor that they can attach to their website. So we have people from all over the world. Simple steps and tools to follow, no tech overwhelm. You get to keep every dollar you make, 100% profit. That's what attracted me to this. Up to $1,400 per sale, which means all you need is 72 customers to make 100K, which is 6 customers a month. And we teach you how to attract those customers. See, learn to attract daily paid customers, predictable income. Okay. You're not doing this alone, right? There's a community for training and support, millionaire mentoring every Monday. That's why you want to get started before Monday so you can join the millionaire mentoring call. Okay. We would happy to have you, would love to have you. I'm just excited to see how many people can just, become super successful and wealthy with this business. Okay. And then here's your little bio section. You just got to put your image here. You put your little bio. AI, ChatGPT, Claude can help you with that. Why is this perfect for you? You want to make extra income. You want your 9 to 5 job doesn't provide financial security like mine didn't. You want to work from anywhere, which is awesome. You want some reliable income stream outside of a job. You're looking for something flexible. You're looking for like a flexible, family-friendly, beginner-friendly business. You've tried other things before but failed. You want to see, and you're looking to see real results like me. I tried so many things for years, mostly affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing. Did not work for me. I spent more money than I made. Okay. You want something that's proven and step by step, simple, easy to do, easy to follow. Okay. More testimonies that shows you, oh yeah, we teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT, Claude, and other softwares and tools and stuff. We're always upgrading our programs and trainings, and the mentors are always doing research behind the scenes to make sure that they give you the best knowledge that's available. Okay. And also you get the certification training. So you become certified reseller of the programs and certified in digital marketing, and you get to keep 100% of the profit. This is what separates us from most other opportunities out there. Even the other opportunities that earn 100% profit, I pretty much can guarantee you they don't have the kind of community that we have, the training, the support, the community, the live millionaire mentoring. I haven't seen it, at least. I've never seen that. Okay. And then it's a global business, English and Spanish, more testimonies and stuff you can read. And then this is going to show you, because we sell 5 digital programs so you can learn from them and resell them. So this shows you what's inside of the program, like phase 1, CEO mindset and clarity. Phase 2, get attention and build awareness with your business, what to post every day. Phase 3, build trust and relationships, how to turn views into conversations and conversions. Phase 4, this is what you're going to learn in the program. Turn engagement into income, how to invite people to your offer with confidence, a simple sales flow that works on autopilot, how to turn conversations into consistent income. And we don't really get on the phone with people. You don't have to talk to people really, but most of that communication goes through our email list, and that's mostly automated. But sometimes people ask you a question. So if they ask you a question, you respond. If you don't know what to say, well, AI can help you, and you can also jump into our community and we can help you answer questions if you're confused. Phase 5, leveraging AI online made easy, how to create content in minutes, not hours. Plug and play prompts for post emails and messaging. You're going to get these AI prompts. How to stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. Phase 7, monetize. How to scale your business. How to add additional income streams without starting over. Simple ways to scale what's already working. How to build a business that keeps growing with you. Okay, that's the kind of stuff you're going to learn in the program. And this video also explains the program, so you can watch it on my website, wealthwithdan.com. And that's what we sell. We sell 5 digital programs. Okay. So that's how you can make up to $1,400 per sale. Like I made $1,400 in my sleep with this business. And so if you want to start this business, it's a one-time investment. I also invested in my hard-earned money, right? One-time investment. I recommend starting at the highest level you can start at, because you can only earn at the level that you're at and below, right? So if you're at the 1,400 level, you unlock all the programs, you unlock all the income streams, so you can earn at every level. But let's say you start at the 100 level, you only unlock one income stream, and you only unlock that program and that training, right? So there's also installment plans for you or your customers, just to keep that in mind. Super affordable. 1 sale, you get your investment back based on the level. 2 sales, you're basically in profit. So we call 1 sale profit mode. 2 sales, you're in profit. And yeah, that's it. And then there's bonuses. You get all these bonuses, thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. Okay. Access to our community, free millionaire mentoring. That's insane. Millionaires and billionaires, they charge so much money for coaching and mentoring. Okay. You get all these bonus trainings. Okay. See, this training is valued at like $497. So you get thousands of dollars worth of training, like how to create your own community, how to do faceless marketing, how to create your own products, thousands of dollars worth of value as a bonus, free bonus. Okay. So that's basically what the website looks like. There's also frequently asked questions. You can read those if you want. And that's it. That's the website. Okay. So you have your whole, you get this pre-built system. You can set this up in a few hours, 1 to 2 days. You should be ready to go. So yeah, there you go. And then as a bonus, like I said, you get access to our community. We got 60,000 people in here, right? And let me show you proof that people are making money based on what they're learning from our program. Okay. So let's find out. Let's see something. Here we go. $1,400 in one transaction. Crazy, right? Yeah, insane, guys. Having a $1,400 day, one sale is awesome. You got to experience it, I'm telling you. Okay, so she made a $1,400 sale. Let's see another one. See, people post whatever they want to post. She said, I got a new lead. A new lead, like anytime somebody clicks on your link, they become a lead, right? So she got a new lead. Okay, let's find some more. People post whatever they want, which is cool. Like she got 900 views on her video, so she's posting it, and people are like, oh, people are like congratulating her. See, she just posting about views, and she got all these comments, right? That's the kind of community we have. It's a very positive, safe space here. Okay. She made $300 on Mother's Day. We got men, women, all ages, all backgrounds. Like he's Marcus. He made $100, Marcus. So you can see we got men. Like I'm a man, obviously. I'm building this business. So men, women from all ages. Like I'm 45. We got people younger and older. $300 for her. $100 watching TV with my daughter. There you go. That's just one page of wins. There's 30 posts per page. We got over like 35,000 pages of wins. So that's that. In the classroom, we got bonus trainings in the classroom. Okay. Calendar shows you when we have live events. Millionaire Mentoring every Monday. We have these different live events. We have a webinar. I got to invite people to that. You can also invite people to these free webinars. I have to invite people to that in my email list. I will do that soon. Okay. And yeah, that's it. And calendar, members. Okay. Map shows you like we have people see all over the world. You see people all over the world. And that's it. And then basically, all you got to do, this is what I do to build my business. I post content on social media. I do long form videos like this one on YouTube. Okay. I do short form videos and I post these on multiple channels like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. And I go live. Okay. And then I have these posts. Okay. Written posts, sometimes business, sometimes value. It's good to generally, when you're building a business, to mix in the value, like the education, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, lifestyle, like you hanging out, doing the things you love, hanging out with your family, and then business. You want to like do like a mixture of these things in general. Okay, so that's basically what I do, and it's attraction marketing. We attract people by posting content, and we teach you how to do that. 1 to 2 hours a day, 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. Follow up with messages, and then your automations do the rest of the work for you, and then just go through a little bit of training. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you build this business. If you want to learn more, like I said, go to wealthwithdan.com. The link's in the bio. Enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint, and check out all the information. If you love it, get started because success loves speed, money loves speed. Action takers are money makers. If you don't like it, you can unsubscribe at any time. So make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. God bless.